Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Weldmonger, Welding Community and Marketplace app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Weldmonger is a community-oriented app designed to connect welders, from hobbyists to professionals, with job opportunities, peer support, gear reviews, and trade resources. The platform allows users to create profiles showcasing their skills and certifications, browse welding job listings, share project photos, and access a marketplace for welding tools and supplies. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering a dedicated space for welders to network, learn, and find work. The app's main feature is its combined community and marketplace functionality. Welders can find jobs, sell or buy gear, exchange tips, and build a professional profile that helps them attract clients or employers. For users just starting out or looking to expand their reach, Weldmonger offers exposure and access to opportunities that might be hard to find otherwise. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's comprehensive approach, the ability to both search for jobs and connect with fellow welders through forums and project showcases. The marketplace for tools and parts simplifies gear sourcing and often includes competitive pricing. For freelancers or independent welders, having a central hub for jobs and resources can be especially valuable. However, there are some drawbacks. As with any niche community, the number of active users and job listings can vary significantly by region, which means opportunities may be sparse in less populated areas. Some users note that listings occasionally lack enough detail or verification, requiring extra diligence. The quality of marketplace items can vary, and buyers are advised to verify condition before purchasing. In summary, the Weldmonger app may be worth using if you're a welder, whether hobbyist or professional, looking for a community, job leads, and an easy way to find or sell gear. However, if you live in a region with few welders or prefer more traditional job search methods, it might not deliver consistent value. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.